Dear friends, welcome to online classes Pharmacy Lecture Notes. Today we are going to discuss Human Anatomy and Physiology Diploma First Year, the cell, and this is the part 2 video of the cell chapter. Previously we have discussed in the introduction part or mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum. Today we are going to discuss what are the remaining part of cell organelles and the cell division part. So here also we are discussing in the Odia language so that it is easy to understand. So first, Golgi apparatus. So Golgi apparatus is also called Golgi complex or Golgi body, receives protein from the endoplasmic reticulum and folds, sort or package this protein into vesicles. So the Golgi apparatus is like the shipping department as it fold or sort or package the protein or deliver to their destination. So like the endoplasmic reticulum, the Golgi apparatus also consists of series of membrane bound sac. See the figure. Series of membrane bound sac. And these sacs originate the vesicle that have budded off from the endoplasmic reticulum. Unlike the system of membranes in the endoplasmic reticulum, which are interconnected, the pouches of the Golgi apparatus are discontinuous. So कौन कहला Golgi apparatus रे ना Golgi apparatus को Golgi complex और Golgi body मध्य कहियो. See the another, and mainly it receives the protein from endoplasmic reticulum ରୁ protein ଟାକୁ receive करे ताको fold or sort or package କରିକି ତାକୁ ତାର destination ରେ ପହଞ୍ଚେଇ ଦେଇଥାଏ. See the figure. Protein from, we know that RAP endoplasmic reticulum synthesize protein, smooth endoplasmic reticulum synthesize lipid. Or RAP endoplasmic reticulum has ribosome. See the ribosome are attached in the RAP endoplasmic reticulum. Ribosome गुड़ाक attach ହେଇକି ଅଛି. Protein synthesized from the RAP endoplasmic reticulum. Then it reaches to the Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus is the transport vehicle. Protein are modified within the Golgi apparatus. See, the protein are modified within the Golgi apparatus re modify ହେଇଥାଏ. Then कौन? Number 1 point, the Golgi apparatus, protein are packaged in a secretory vesicle for exocytosis. Why it is necessary for packaging? For exocytosis. Then comes to the point number 2. Vesicles are become lysosome. Or then point number 3, vesicles are inserted into the plasma membrane. किमती once package ହେଲା ପରେ ସେ lysosome को आसिकी से plasma membrane देकी discharge of waste material or microbes or inserted into the plasma membrane. So this is the function of Golgi apparatus, mainly packaged in secretory vesicles for exocytosis. See the figure. जहाँ भी protein material endoplasmic reticulum रे तैयारी होची. Transport system from endoplasmic reticulum to the outside the cell. So again, so the Golgi apparatus, it is a Golgi complex or Golgi body मध्य कुहाଯାଇଥାଏ. Protein टाकू from endoplasmic reticulum रू fold or shortage or package କରିକି ସେ ତାର destination को पहुंचे ଦେଇଥାଏ. This is the function of Golgi apparatus. Now comes to the lysosome. So lysosome are acidic membrane bound organelles found within the cell or in the cytoplasm. So usually around 1 micrometer in length. So length of the lysosome is 1 micrometer. Lysosomes contain numerous hydrolytic enzymes which catalyze the hydrolysis reaction. So what is the function of lysosome? Mainly hydrolysis or with the help of hydrolytic enzyme. See the figure. Transport vehicle containing active hydrolytic enzyme. Same जो रफ एंडोप्लाज्मिक रे तैयारी सी आसिकी गोल्गी apparatus रे जो आसला प्रोटीन गुड़ा then role of lysosome the figure role of lysosome. So whatever the enzyme hydrolytic enzyme contain it engulf the damaged organelle. It engulf the damaged organelle or digestion. The engulf particle, food vacuole. This is the role of lysosome. So lysosome are the acidic membrane bound organelle found within the cytoplasm, usually 1 nanometer micrometer in length, and contains hydrolytic enzyme which catalyze the hydrolysis reaction. So the membrane surrounding the lysosome is vital to ensure this enzyme do not leak out. As is content like hydrolytic enzyme, so there is a it ensure the enzyme do not leak. Otherwise, it damages the cell from within. In order to maintain the acidic pH of the lysosome, protons are actively transported into the organelles across the lysosomal membrane. So the hydrolytic enzyme contained within the lysosome allow the foreign particle to be destroyed. So lysosome plays an important role, that is phagocytosis, or it helps as a defend against pathogen via endocytosis by degrading pathogen by they reach the cytoplasm. So whatever the foreign particle reaches to the cytoplasmic region, it can either phagocytosis or endocytosis by lysosome. Needs to be destroyed the foreign particle. So how the foreign particle are destroyed? By phagocytosis process or engulfment of particles or endocytosis. So this is the way the lysosome acts. ତାହେଲେ କଣ ବୁଝିଲେ ନା ଲାଇସୋଜୋମ ରେ ଯାହା ବି ଫରେନ୍ ପାର୍ଟିକଲ ଆସିଲା ତାକୁ ସେ ଏନଗଲ୍ଫ କର or phagocytosis or endocytosis is the function of lysosome. କେମିତି କରେ ନା with the help of hydrolytic enzyme. Different hydrolytic enzyme reaction रे or catalyze the hydrolytic reaction କରିକି ତାକୁ ନଷ୍ଟ କରିବ destroy. So acidic pH टाको maintain करके रखे. In order to maintain the acidic pH of the lysosome, proton actively role play करे. Protons are actively transported into the organelle across the lysosomal membrane. Well, this is the function of lysosome. Now comes to the peroxisome. Peroxisome are small membrane enclosed cellular organelle containing oxidative enzymes that are involved in variety of metabolic reactions. There are 60 unknown enzymes are present in this peroxisomal region or in peroxisomes. They are responsible for the oxidation reaction or production of hydrogen peroxide. So the main group of enzyme Out of these 60 enzyme are urate oxidase or D-amino acid oxidase or catalase. So these are the main enzyme out of these 60 enzyme. So what are the main function of peroxisome? It hydrogen peroxide metabolism. Enzyme present in the peroxisome both lead to the production and elimination of hydrogen peroxide, which is a reactive oxygen species. Other function like fatty acid oxidation or lipid biosynthesis. So peroxisome कौन? It is a membrane enclosed cellular organelle. ये contain करके रखी था different type of 60 different type of enzyme. Mainly urate oxidase or amino acid oxidase or catalase. So what are the function of peroxisome? Hydrogen peroxide metabolism or fatty acid oxidation or lipid biosynthesis. Now comes to the microfilament. Microfilament are primarily composed of of actin, polymer of actin, but in cells are modified by and interact with numerous other proteins are also present. They are thus composed of two strands of subunit of the protein, actin wound in the spiral. Especially the actin subunit that are come together to form microfilament. The microfilament the actin subunit are come together to form microfilament that are called G-actin or globular actin. And once they join together, they called filamentous actin. That is F-actin. Tell what is microfilament? It is when the actin subunits are combined together to form microfilament. And when actin subunits are combined together, called filamentous actin or F-actin. ତାହେଲେ G actin ଗୁଡାକ combine ହେଇକି microfilament କରିଥାନ୍ତି ଆଉ G actin ଗୁଡାକ combine ହେଲେ ହିଁ ତାକୁ ଆମେ F actin ମଧ୍ୟ କହିଥାଉ. So they are usually 7 nanometer in diameter, making them thinnest filament of the cytoskeleton. So the polymer of these linear filament are flexible but still strong. So resisting crossing and bucking while providing support to the cell. So what is the function of microfilament? Now in association with myosin, actin the myosin ସହିତ ମିଶିକି cellular contraction. We'll go through detail in pharmacology part. How contraction cell contract, main mechanism. So with the help of this actin and myosin generate forces. So with this force contraction or basic cell movement. So microfilament helps to muscle contraction. So yellow microfilament. Now comes to the microtubules are found in the cytoplasm and teeny hollow bead-like tubular structure that helps to maintain their shape. They are long fiber and diameter is 24 nanometer in diameter. So what is the function of microtubule? They move the vesicle, granules, organelles like mitochondria and chromosome via specific attachment protein. Along with the microfilament, the intermediate filament, they form the cytoskeleton in the cell as well as participate a variety of motor function of the cell. So what is the function of cytoskeleton? It gives shape to the cell and cellular membrane or cellular movement, which includes a contraction in the muscle cell or mitosis and meiosis, the movement of chromosome during the cell division and creation of the mitotic spindle. So what is the function of cytoskeleton? Giving the cell shape or cellular membrane ଦେଇଥାଏ cellର size or shape, cellର membrane or cellର movement or contraction of the cell or cell division. So this is the function of microtubule or cytoskeleton. cytoskeleton. So now summary. What are the different organelles and their major functions? So plasma membrane transport the ion and molecule. Cytosol metabolism of carbohydrate, lipid and amino acid. Mitochondria energy production. Endoplasmic reticulum synthesis of protein and lipid. Golgi apparatus modification and sorting of protein. Lysosome cellular digestion. Peroxisome utilization of hydrogen peroxide. Cytoskeleton cell morphology and cell motility. Nucleus DNA synthesis and repair. So this is the one function of the different compartment or different parts of the cell. Now comes to the what is the major function of the cell? So breakdown of food into nutrient. That means polymer to monomer. Another function that is transportation material like oxygen, carbon dioxide to the cell or away from the cell. Production of chemical, different hormone or chemical signal used to control the body function. Apart from this, work together to build tissue and tissue combine together to form organ, and organ combine together to form system, and when system combine together form human body or organism. So this is also major function combination to form tissue. So these are the different function of cell like breakdown of food, polymer to monomer, transportation of oxygen and carbon dioxide, produce chemical like hormones, then combination. These are the major function of cell. Now comes to the cell division. So depending on the type of cell, there are two different types, mitosis and meiosis. Each of these method of cell division has a special characteristics. One of the differences in mitosis in a single cell division into two. So each and other same number of chromosomes. This type of cell division is good for the basic growth, repair and maintenance. So what is the purpose of cell division? Mainly growth, repair and maintenance. So there are two division, one is meiosis and another is mitosis. So in mitosis process, cell divided into two, in meiosis that is four. Cell divided into four cells, that half of the number of chromosome. Reducing the number of chromosome by half is important for sexual reproduction and provides for genetic diversity. ତାହେଲେ cell division କ'ଣ କହିଲା ଦିଟା, ଗୋଟେ ହେଲା mitosis process, another meiosis. Mitosis ରେ କ'ଣ ହୁଏ? Cell division occurs in all somatic cell. These are type of cell that make up the body tissue. Is not involved the sex cell or gametes. So there are primary role of mitosis in the growth, replacing or out cell. So there are mitosis again subdivided into five phases or divided into five phases, that is prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokines. These are the phases of mitosis. So see the figure. Mitosis. Prior to the mitosis, each chromosome makes an exact duplicate of its. The chromosomes are thickened and coiled. Prior to cell division, chromosomes are thickened, मोटा हुए and coiled like. So yearly prophase, the centriole which have divided from asters and moved apart. Then the nuclear membrane begins to disintegrate. Nuclear membrane are begin to disintegrate. And the late prophase, the centrioles are asters are opposite pole. They're in the opposite pole. See, in the opposite pole. And the nuclear membrane have almost completely disappeared. There is no nuclear membrane. Now, the double chromosome, their centromeres are attached to the spindle fiber. See, attached to the spindle fiber. Chromosomes are. And lined at the middle cell in metaphase stage. Then now in early anaphase, the centromeres are split. Centromeres are split. Half of the chromosome move one fold. and half of the chromosome other pole. Now in late anaphase, the chromosome have almost reached their respective pole. Chromosomes are their respective pole. Membrane begins to pinch at the center. And the cell membrane completely constriction in telophase and nuclear membrane from around the separate chromosome. So at the mitosis completion, there are two cells with the same structure and number of chromosomes as the parent cell. Now, two separate cells formed from one cell in the mitosis cell division. कौन कहला ताले प्रोफेज लेट प्रोफेज early प्रोफेज मेटाफेज एनाफेज then telophage or cytokines. This is the cell division of mitosis process. See, the centriole गुड़ाक divide होची, centrioles are divided, protect pole को जाऊची, nuclear membrane are disappear, then spindle सहित attach होची, chromosomes attached to the spindle fiber, then chromosome are moved to the opposite pole, one pole and up to the other pole. Then anaphase or chromosome are almost reach their respective pole को पहुंची. Then the membrane complete constriction at telophase रे and nuclear membrane around separate कर दो. This is the cell division of mitosis process. Then the same things are written here. The pair of chromatin are line up, then chromatin are now separated, then chromosome are each pole, then cytokine divides and new cell are formed in the prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase and cytokine or the mitosis cell division process. So now meiosis. Meiosis cell division that creates the sex cell like female egg cell or male sperm cell. In meiosis, each new cell contains a unique set of genetic information. After meiosis, the sperm and egg cell can join to create a new organism. So, meiosis are different from mitosis. There are two cell division, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Meiosis 1 have the number of chromosome and when crossing over happen, meiosis 2 have the amount of genetic information in each chromosome of each cell. So the result four daughter cells called haploid cell. So prophase L कौन कहला माइटोसिस टा पांचटा फेज रे प्रोफेज मेटाफेज एनाफेज टेलोफेज और साइटोकाइन्स रे होतला बट मियोसिस रे मियोसिस 1 और मियोसिस 2 दीटा सेल डिवीजन गोटे सेल रु चारिटा सेल सो मियोसिस 1 रे number of chromosome when crossing over happen. Meiosis 2 the genetic information of each chromosome of each cell. So here the homologous chromosome are pair and exchange the DNA from recombinant chromosome. This stage end the spindle fiber starting from the attached to the chromosome. Metaphase then same. See the figure meiosis. DNA strand thicken into the chromosome. Homologous or chromosome begins to approach and homologous or chromosome pair to form bivalent. The centriole divided into opposite pole. Then the bivalent duplicate to form four chromatin groups. The nuclear membrane disintegrate. Then crossing over occur. Then the metaphase 1. The tetrads attached to the spindle fiber at their centromere. Then early anaphase 1, anaphase late anaphase 1, telophase 1. Then first metabolic division ends. There is a now two cells. See the figure. There is a two cell. Each cell same number of chromatin in the parent cell. Now prophase 2. In the second mitotic division, homologous chromatin do not duplicate but merely separate. So again metaphase 2, anaphase 2 and telophase 2. been completed. So there are four number of each with half number of chromosomes are of the parent cell. So this is the cell division. Thank you for watching this video. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you.